that's kind of what I wanted to go over with Fettec, right? Like, Fettec's great. I love it because you can touch things, and it doesn't seem to be affected by it all as much as my Betaflight quads. But I have two 50 volt 1000 microfarad capacitors and a spike absorber, and this thing still gets pretty bad motor desyncs on any kind of throttle touch. A lot of water here, gotta try and avoid that. Really windy, it's wet, it's been pouring for the past few days, so to be expected to have some water on the ground. Hurts because of the wind, it hurts because it's cold and windy. Oh, touch. Oh god. It's so cold. Lord help me. It's making my control super touchy. Oh god, it's so much harder to be precise when it's just cold out. Yeah, my fingers are jittery. The front block isn't bad. Stock Fettec kids. Wow, my hands hurt. Alright, 22 volts,